Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Tesla not opening with your iPhone or just your phone, and Tesla app will not open the car, automatically. So what you need to do after you've added your phone as a phone key, just make sure your phone's general Bluetooth settings were actually enabled. And if Bluetooth is enabled within your phone setting for the Tesla mobile app itself, for example, on your phone, what you do is you navigate to settings, you choose the Tesla mobile app, and then you ensure that the Bluetooth setting is turned on, or the permission for Bluetooth is turned on. And also, access to your location is actually enabled. So you open the Tesla mobile app in your phone settings, and you select location, and you toggle on always. And if you want the best experience, you keep the mobile app running in the background as well. And you need to, of course, also allow mobile access on the vehicle touchscreen. Make sure that is enabled as well. So you go to controls on your Tesla touchscreen, click on safety, and then I want you to click on allow mobile access. Now, keep in mind that Bluetooth is always toggled on. It's on because when many phones, what happens is when the battery is low, they actually disable Bluetooth to save power. Just ensure that your phone has enough battery power for Bluetooth before you set up your phone key, and you should not have any issues. Now, keep that in mind, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.